In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove document properties in Microsoft Word. Document properties can contain information such as the author name, title, subject, keywords, comments, and other metadata. If you want to remove this information before sharing your document, you can use Word's built-in document inspector. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to clean. Next, click the File tab in the top left corner. From the File menu, select Info. Now, look for Check for Issues and click it. From the menu that appears, select Inspect Document. The Document Inspector window will open. Here, you can choose which types of information you want Word to check. Make sure the option for Document Properties and Personal Information is selected. You can leave the other options selected as well if you want Word to check the document for additional hidden information. Next, click Inspect. Word will scan your document and display the results. Look for Document Properties and Personal Information in the results. If Word finds any information, click the Remove All button next to that category. This will remove the document properties and personal information that Word has identified. When you're finished, click Close. Finally, save your document by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Your document will now have the selected document properties and personal information removed. And that's how you can remove document properties in Microsoft Word using the Document Inspector. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,